have a Toyota Corolla 2009, and we're gonna be working on the suspension. We're gonna put low coilovers here. Real nice mint Corolla. Here's my buddy of mine. It's been a while since I did a mechanic video, but without further ado, guys, all right, we're gonna put these coilovers. I believe they're the Godspeed Mono SSS. That's the part number, GSP MSS090. So these are the suspension that he's gonna put on this Toyota Camry. I could put 4 fingers on that. We're gonna adjust it down to 1 finger to maybe half a finger. Let's see how it goes. What I do is take the lug nuts out. What we're gonna be taking out is these two bolts right here. We got the brake sensor right here too as well. We're gonna take the sway bar link, and then we got 3 more screws that we gotta go up there and open the hood and take those out. It's basically a simple job. It's really easy. It's not that hard.
This is a
Successfully took that plastic cover off. You want to go ahead and you have 3 bolts here, 14 millimeter. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this sway bar link.
no me pesa. Y ya. De DBS. Bueno.
Just like that. Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada boom, bam boom.
That's it. Boom. And get one of these Godspeeds and then go ahead and install this one. Let's go. Do a quick adjustments on these suspensions, since like I said, they're coilovers, and they got more adjusting right here, but we're gonna keep this all kind of the same where it's at. Just leave it like that from factory.
Aquí vamos a ponerle este, ya tú sabes.
Ahora ahí.
Ahí. Este le va a tocar ahí.
Okay.
So, ahora voy a...
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and lower it down to see the fitment, make sure everything's good. We're on the front side, we'll do the back side tomorrow, so keep on watching. Gotcha. That thing came out brand new. Look at that. So that's the fitment there, and the back one still haven't been done. Or I could put like my whole freaking fist in there, my whole fist. Over here, 1 finger. This is a video to show you how to put and install coilovers on the 2009 Corolla. And if you guys like the video, go ahead and share, follow, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be the back one. And whatever videos you guys want to see next, go ahead and comment down below. Thank you for watching. CG Fix.